Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a very nice 2006 John Deere 110 TLB or tractor loader backhoe. This unit is in very nice condition. It has 1,103 original hours, was a one-owner tractor. The majority of these you'll find on the internet for sale are anywhere from 2,200 to 2,500, 2,800 hours. This is a very nice 1,100 hour machine, four-wheel drive, skid steer front quick attach, backhoe on the rear end, of course. Very nice tractor. Purpose of the video today is going to give you a 360-degree view. We're going to start, run, show you it goes through all its gears. We'll run the backhoe, run the front loader, show you everything works. So we're going to go ahead and start you right here at the engine, and we'll open up the hood and show you that everything is nice and dry condition. Tractor's powered by a 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine. Starts and runs good with no abnormal smoke or noises. We had this tractor in our shop. We changed both hydraulic filters underneath, both air filters, both fuel filters and screen, and engine oil. Everything has been serviced. That's one thing here at Mark Supply 88. We take the time to go through and service everything so we know what we have. The only negative thing at all on this tractor, other than a few little normal scratches, is up here on the front. It had the grill guard, factory grill guard, got bent at one time. It actually broke this little piece of wire mesh. Didn't hurt anything in the radiator or anything. We're just pointing it out. A lot of people wouldn't even say anything to you about it. Every single grease fitting on this tractor took grease. Rubber is all approximately 65% all the way around. At one point in time, someone had cut the one front tire and had replaced it with another one there shortly after it being brand new. They're just pointing that out. Again, has a John Deere 72-inch heavy-duty front loader bucket with the bolt-on cutting edge. Someone had added some little lifting hooks here. Super nice bucket. Really, just tractor's immaculate clean machine. Back here in the back end, we don't know that it was dug with a whole lot. Paint on the backhoe end is just super nice. This is the original bucket. It does have a 24-inch John Deere bucket on it. You can see the teeth and stuff are nice shape. There's still paint on the insides of the bucket. There's absolutely no leaks that we found. Locking pin, locking mechanism for the boom to hold it up. Everything there is in nice working order. All lights work, turn signals, headlights. Just a really super clean tractor compared to what's out there on the market today. This is not an aerosol overhaul or a clear coat overhaul or anything like that. This is an all original paint tractor. Does have 540 PTO. Does have the rock shafts there if you'd want to add 3-point hitch and dismount the backhoe. These tractors new were about 50 couple grand. Unbelievable tractor, really a nice working tractor. Up top here we'll show you, we'll have the cameraman step up. You can see there you have your instrument cluster on the side. We'll turn the key on for you here and show you. 1,103 original hours. Joystick control for your loader. Hydrostatic 3-range. Of course 4-wheel drive in and out. Independent brakes. And of course power steering. This time we're going to go ahead and start the tractor, fire it up, and we'll show you how everything works. we hope you can see from the video, this tractor starts, runs, works, does everything it's supposed to do. You know, we hope you guys really do appreciate at home that we take the time to shoot a video such as this, because it takes us a lot of time to do it. A lot of people don't take a video. We pride ourselves in doing that. You know what you're getting, and it really eliminates a lot of the stupid questions. And there is no such thing as a stupid question. But, you know, you can see this tractor is running, working condition, does everything it's supposed to do. It has all its ranges, and we feel that this really takes the guesswork out for you. Please understand, we've priced this tractor very affordable compared to what other tractors are bringing with a lot more hours. So please don't lowball us with stupid and ridiculous offers that waste your time and my time. If you have any questions on this tractor, if you'd like to come by, run this tractor, see it in person, you're more than welcome to do so. We have absolutely nothing to hide. If you need a freight quote, we'll be glad to get you one. Please keep in mind this is going to need to come on a step deck trailer or a high flat trailer. Chances are of us finding you a hot shot truck with ramps, sometimes not. So please keep in mind when doing that, you'll need to have access to a loading dock or some type of unloading facility. Please give us a call at 814-658-3066 if you have any questions. And again, if you'd like to come by, you're more than welcome to do so. We're located at 18563 Bun Mountain Road, Saxton, Pennsylvania, 16678. Thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply 88. And as always, have a happy eBaying, and without you, the customer, we have nothing. Thank you again. Happy eBaying.